Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about the lecture number 24 of chapter number 4. Our topic is tissues. What is meant by tissues? Tissue cell combine together in proper way to form tissues. There are two types of tissues. First one is animal tissues and second one is plant tissues. The tissues which present in animals, that tissues are called animal tissues, and the tissues which are present in plants, that are called plant tissues. Further, there are four types of animal tissues. First one is epithelial tissues, second one is connective tissues, and third one is muscular tissues, and fourth is nervous tissues. Epithelial tissues, where epithelial tissues are present, epithelial tissues are present on the outer surface of body, for example skin. And second one is connective tissues, which are the functions of connective tissues. Tissues used to connect bones or other body parts, that are called connective tissues. Muscular tissues which are present in muscles and help for the contraction and relaxation of muscles. And nervous tissues are present in nervous system of the body.